Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its novel calculation and quick exchange speed have made it perhaps of the most famous computerized cash out there. Many individuals are considering what's on the horizon for torrential slide and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what torrential slide is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our AVAX coin cost expectation. If it's not too much trouble, recall that our cost expectations don't comprise speculation counsel. Consistently do your own examination prior to trading any digital forms of money. Our ongoing AVAX to USD cost update shows the ongoing torrential slide cost is $19.13 USD. Our latest torrential slide cost figure shows that its worth will increment by 6.01% and reach $20.28 by April 18, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the bullish 76% market opinion on torrential slide, while the trepidation and insatiability file is showing a score of 68. Over the most recent 30 days, torrential slide has had 17 30th green days and 3.61% cost instability. Torrential slide specialized outline. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of torrential slide is $17.39, and AVAX is buy and by position no. 16 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of torrential slide is $5,666,317,802.48, with a market cap of $325,823,913 AVAX. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 88 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, AVAX has been in a decent vertical pattern, hence expanding by 0.03%. Torrential slide has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of a VAX has expanded by 3.93%, adding a titanic typical measure of 68 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of torrential slide costs expected in 2023, the base expense of torrential slide will be $24.30. The greatest level that the AVAX cost can reach is $29.09. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $25.01. Likely return for money invested, 57.4% by AVAX value conjecture for February 2023 in light of the value changes of torrential slide toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical AVAX pace of $18.80 in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $17.19 and at $19.34 individually. Possible return for capital invested, 4.7% by WALC 2023. Torrential slide value gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the AVAX cost in WALC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $18.65, while the greatest could reach $20.09 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of torrential slide may be around $19.37. It can drop to $19.04 as a base. The greatest worth may be $21.06. Likely return for money invested, 14% by May 2023. Torrential slide value estimate around mid-year 2023. The AVAX cost will be exchanged at $20.54 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the torrential slide worth to $21.85. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $19.83 in May 2023. Likely return for money invested, 18.2% by AVAX value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down torrential slide costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $21.37. The most reduced and top AVAX rates may be $20.65 and $22.88. Likely return on initial capital investment, 23.8% by July 2023. Torrential slide value estimate. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the AVAX cost will be around $21.79. In July 2023, the torrential slide cost might drop to at least $20.90. The normal pinnacle worth may be $23.95 in July 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 29.6% by AVAX value estimate for August 2023. Having dissected torrential slide cost, digital currency specialists expect that the AVAX rate could arrive at a limit of $24.82 in August 2023. it may, nonetheless, drop to $21.95. For August 2023, the gauge normal of torrential slide is almost $22.66. Likely return for money invested. 34.3% by September 2023, torrential slide value gauge around mid-2023. The torrential slide cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $23.57. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the AVAX cost could vary somewhere in the range of $22.68 and $25.72. Likely return on initial capital investment. 39.2% by AVAX value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the torrential slide worth won't dip under at least $23.15. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $26.90. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $24.04. Possible return for capital invested. 45.6% by November 2023. Torrential slide value gauge digital money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of AVAX costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of torrential slide will be around $28.10, with a chance of dropping to at least $23.81. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $24.52. Possible return for capital invested. 52.1% by AVAX value figure for December 2023 in view of the value vacillations of torrential slide toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical AVAX pace of $25.01 in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $24.30 and at $29.09 individually. Likely return on initial capital investment. 57.4% by torrential slide value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of torrential slide in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of torrential slide will be around $35.09. The most extreme expected AVAX cost might be around $42.39. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $36.34 in 2024. The typical expected exchanging cost is $52.79. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of torrential slide and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base AVAX cost could drop to $78.41, while its greatest can reach $89.73. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $80.52. Torrential slide value expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of torrential slide by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least AVAX costs are normal in 2027. $134.69 and $111.83. By and large, it will be exchanged at $115.86. Torrential slide